Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Shaz. In case you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more and more interesting videos, of course. So guys, today I'm taking you to Kisiland. I thought of taking you guys to Kisi because of the Matoke. So I'm going to make Matoke today, and I'm going to show you guys how to make Matoke in peanut sauce. So guys, let's get to the kitchen and prepare the meal. So guys, these are the ingredients. This is beef meat, is a half kg. Curry powder, Royco cubes, salt to taste, 1 big onion, 4 tomatoes, tomato paste, black pepper, oil, peanut butter. We have ginger, we have garlic, matokes, water. We have coriander leaf and belly pepper. This is yellow. I will be using half. Na chumvi kidogo kuchemsha nyama ili iwe tamu, iwe na ladha na chemke vizuri. Nitachemsha kitu kama dakika 35 ama 45. So as the meat get boiled, I have to cut the rest of the ingredients. So I start with onion. That's your bad. Hii kitunguu ni kubwa vizuri kweli kweli. Watu wanapenda kutumia, lakini mimi hoho, dania, hizo ni vitu zenye mimi nisipotumia sioni kama inafaa. Chakula iko sawa. Separate hizi tomato. Wewe unaweza kata, inategemea vile wewe mwenyewe unavyopenda kuzitumia. Mimi nitazitumia. Nitatumia curry powder kijiko moja, Royco pia kijiko moja. Alafu nilisahau kuambia nimechemsha nyama na black pepper pia. Sasa zile unachemsha nyama utaongezea black pepper. Tomato paste 2 tablespoons will be enough. Boil it for the next 25 minutes because I need it to be soft. Unaweza gloves ama kama una gloves unaweza tumia mafuta upake kwa mkono ndio nini zake pills zake zishike mkono. Familia wengi unaweza tumia mingi, nategemea unataka ngapi na mkoa ngapi kwa family. So mimi natumia tu 10. Unaweza tumia zaidi ya hii yenye mimi natumia. Alafu naona nikipaka mafuta mkono wangu inabaki tu kukua safi. Hizo maganda zishike mkono, like ukikata matoke zinakwanga kwa mkono. Alafu nitaweka kitunguu, and you have to make sure your kitunguu turn brown in color. Curry powder, Royco, one tablespoon of tomato paste, salt to taste, pepper, Matoke, meat. Sitamwaga hii supu, kwa hii supu itasaidia matoke kuiva. onion. We are making the sauce now. The peanut sauce. We let it turn brown again. The remaining tomato paste, 1 tablespoon again. Mix well. Make sure to mix them well. So I'm going to use this peanut butter. 3 tablespoons will be enough for me. You can use more, you can use less, depend on what you're cooking. You have to mix it faster. So I start pouring water bit by bit until I get my sauce. I think that will be enough for me. So I just have to mix it well until I get the real sauce that I want. I will check if my matokes are ready. They're not yet ready, they're not that soft enough. So we have to wait for matoke to get well, soft enough for me to mix it. So you see, my matokes are ready. You can see they're soft enough. So after that, I will have to put the peanut sauce. So you have to mix it well. Make sure to mix it slowly by slowly, and then reduce the heat. So I just have to leave it for like 2 minutes and then my food will be ready. So guys, finally matokes are ready. You can see how thick and sweet it looks like. So if you like this, kindly leave a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.